Guys, it's Andy here. Welcome back to another episode on the Andy Kandola Show. We're going to change it up in this video, guys. I want to go ahead and share with you guys my top 10 cryptocurrencies that I do go ahead and invest in. Now, here's the thing. We always talk about stocks on this channel. The stock portfolio, I'm just going to share with you guys where it's at right now. But in this video, we're going to go ahead and jump into my cryptocurrency investments in the top 10 cryptocurrencies in my opinion. But before we get into that, as far as my bucket list portfolio goes, it's sitting at $119,160. And the last day, guys, it was a great day in the stock market. We're up about $2,700 or 2.34%. In the last week, we are up $3,533. In the last month, we're up $7,686. Last quarter, we're up in the last month, we're down $7,686. In the last quarter, we're down $13,985. And then all time, we are up $2,869. But if you guys want to see all the different stocks that I have, I will leave a link and you can go ahead and check that out in my description where I share all the different investments that I have. But now on to the main topic for this video. I do invest in cryptocurrency. So I do want to go ahead and share this with you guys because I do believe in diversifying. And I've been investing in cryptocurrency for a bit over a year now. I do believe in all 10 of these cryptocurrencies that I want to go ahead and share with you guys in this video. And the reason why I like to go ahead and invest in this asset class is because I do believe in diversifying, and I believe that there is 100x potential with this asset class as more and more people are starting to understand what cryptocurrencies are and the utility behind some of these cryptocurrencies. Now, the 10 cryptocurrencies that I do go ahead and share with you guys, I do go ahead and invest in every single one of those in my portfolio. Now, I do use Coinbase. Coinbase does have a limited time offer where you actually get $5 when you go ahead and sign up with them, but I do have a special link in my description below. If you guys want to set up Coinbase, you do get $10. It is a affiliate link. It's a referral link, basically. But guys, in regards to the cryptocurrencies that we are going to go ahead and go through, I'm going to start off with my biggest conviction, and from there go into a bit riskier ones that I would not weigh too much money into, but at the same time, they might have a bigger return, but of course they come with a bigger risk. Now we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. The first one is basically the one that started this whole cryptocurrency craze, and that's going to be with Bitcoin. Now Bitcoin is currently trading at $40,804. Guys, this is extremely volatile cryptocurrency, just like every single one of these that I'll share with you guys in this video. But by the time I put this video out, I'm not sure if this is going to be down to 30,000 or up to 50,000. It is extremely volatile. If we just look in the last week here, we were trading at right around 50,000, and now we are down to about 40,810. In the last month, we are down as well. Bitcoin was trading at right around 56 to 57,000. But that's why I say to go ahead and dollar cost average into this cryptocurrency. But Bitcoin is my biggest conviction, and that's because Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency, and there's only 21 million of these that can ever be mined. And that to me builds a scarcity value to it. Now, some of the biggest things and the downfalls early on was, can Bitcoin actually be hacked? But I can tell you guys, the chances of this thing being hacked is like 0.00001%. So it's a very low risk of Bitcoin ever being hacked, and that's because of the blockchain technology where every transaction is secured through the blockchain and is basically stored on every single computer that's ever been on the blockchain and that's mined Bitcoin. But I'm not going to go ahead and get into all the logistics, but this is going to be my biggest investment. This, I will say, is probably about 75% of my overall portfolio. Now, jumping into the second investment. My second biggest investment and my second bullish cryptocurrency is going to be Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, as opposed to Bitcoin, is basically its own blockchain. But on the Ethereum blockchain, you can actually go ahead and create NFTs, or you can create your own cryptocurrencies. With Ethereum, I like this because this is a decentralized application. Basically, you can go ahead and create different apps or create different cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum blockchain, and you get rewarded in Ethereum tokens. So I do like Ethereum. Ethereum is probably one of the biggest cryptocurrencies and blockchains that has a lot of utility value. I'm a big believer in Ethereum. Ethereum is currently trading at $2,685. Now, Ethereum does have an update that it is trying to go ahead and do, which is going to be Ethereum 2.0. And basically, one of the main features of this update is Ethereum's going to be going from proof of work to proof of stake. Basically, what that's going to do is it's going to go ahead and reduce the fees on the Ethereum blockchain. And when that happens, the people that are staking their coins are going to be the ones that are going to be paid out, as opposed to the miners. So Ethereum 2.0 is currently being tested. It is supposed to be rolled out by the end of this year, or hopefully before the beginning of next year. But I'm bullish on Ethereum. I do believe that this is probably going to go over $10,000 before the end of this year, especially if Ethereum 2.0 rolls out and they're able to go ahead and get over to proof of stake. Now guys, jumping into the third one is going to be probably the biggest blockchain that is competition to Ethereum, and that's going to be with Cardano. Now Cardano is currently trading at $1.71. This is one of the top cryptocurrencies. Right now, the popularity on Coinbase, it's the fourth most held cryptocurrency on Coinbase with a market cap of 54.3 billion. But this cryptocurrency was actually founded by one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and his name is Charles Hoskinson. And basically, Charles Hoskinson is all over YouTube. I do really like Charles Hoskinson. I actually watch his channel a lot, and I like everything that he's doing with this cryptocurrency, where he is focused on proof of stake. He's focused on bringing smart contracts out by this summer. And I do believe that if smart contracts do come out by this summer, the price of Cardano can easily go above $10. Now, the nice thing with Cardano is Cardano's already doing what Ethereum's trying to do. Cardano's basically built on proof of stake, and that's where Ethereum's headed. But once smart contracts come out, there's going to be a lot more applications and a lot more utility around Cardano, and it's just going to open up the floodgates for some of the apps that want to go ahead and shift over from Ethereum and convert over to Cardano. But I do believe that this is gonna be one of the biggest cryptocurrencies. I do believe that this is gonna take the number 3 spot, and it is gonna be probably the biggest blockchain after Ethereum. So big believer in Cardano. Now the next one is going to be another one that I invest in, and I do like this one as well, and this is going to be with Chainlink. Now Chainlink is a cryptocurrency that is on the blockchain network for Ethereum. Basically, Chainlink runs on the Ethereum blockchain, but with Chainlink you can actually go ahead and transfer external data onto the Ethereum blockchain. So if you have any kind of app that you're trying to build and you're trying to get this information onto the Ethereum blockchain, you can actually do that with Chainlink. Chainlink is the 14th most held cryptocurrency on Coinbase, and I've been investing in this from very early on, and I started investing in this when it was right around $6 or $7. Now Chainlink is currently trading at $29.26, but I see a utility value in this cryptocurrency, so I'm a big believer in this one as well. Now guys, we're gonna go to the fifth one. The fifth one here is gonna be Polkadot. Now Polkadot is another cryptocurrency that was founded by one of the co-founders of Ethereum, and Polkadot is currently trading at $28.24. Obviously the price is gonna fluctuate as I'm recording this video, but at the same time with Polkadot, this is another cryptocurrency that I do believe has great utility value, especially as more and more people get onto these blockchains. With Polkadot, you can basically go ahead and transfer data and information from one blockchain to another. So if somebody wants to go ahead and transfer data from the Ethereum blockchain to the Cardano blockchain, they can go ahead and do that with Polkadot. It's basically connecting all the different blockchains together, which is actually going to take me into the next blockchain, which Polkadot will also connect to, and that's going to be Cosmo. Now Cosmo's ticker symbol is Atom, and with Cosmo, this cryptocurrency is trading at $16.01. Cosmo's main goal is to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Now Cosmo is also focused on proof of stake as opposed to proof of work. So this is similar to Cardano, where they're focused on proof of stake, and that's why the cost is a lot less, and you get rewarded with the Atom or with Cosmo tokens. So I do like this blockchain as well. I do believe as more applications come out that this blockchain is going to be one of the top 10 contenders out there. And Cosmos popularity, guys, on Coinbase is going to be number 22. Now jumping into the seventh one, which is also going to have utility value, but that's going to be with VeChain. Now VeChain is actually a pretty interesting project. With VeChain, basically it's letting you go ahead and secure information in the blockchain network. Now VeChain is its own blockchain, but what this is actually doing is it's actually securing information where you can go ahead and verify different products and have a data on the blockchain. VeChain was actually founded by one of the head people at Louis Vuitton. And what they're trying to do is, if you want to go ahead and verify, let's say, a Louis Vuitton bag and confirm that it's real, you can actually go ahead and verify that through the VeChain blockchain network. So this is more focused around products and services. If you want to go ahead and verify that this product is actually real and it's not fake, that's what VeChain is actually focused around. Now VeChain is currently trading at 13 cents. Now guys, jumping into the 8th, 9th, and 10th one, these are going to be the most speculative cryptocurrencies that I do invest in, but I would say with a word of caution, if you're investing in any one of these, there's not a lot of utility value currently in the next three. They are the most speculative ones that I invest in. So jumping into the 8th one is going to be probably the one that's got the most media attention around it, and because Elon loves to go ahead and push this coin, and that's going to be with Dogecoin. Now Dogecoin is not currently tradable on Coinbase, but Coinbase did announce that they are going to go ahead and let you start trading on this in the next couple weeks. But Dogecoin is currently trading at 39 cents, and because Elon is trying to go ahead and build some utility value around Dogecoin, it has the potential to go ahead and rise even more. Now I do invest in this asset class. However, there is no scarcity value in this. So as far as Dogecoin goes, there's about 10,000 new Dogecoin that are mined every minute, and there's no maximum supply. So you can go ahead and keep mining this, and at the end of the day, it really doesn't have any utility value, but people like Mark Cuban and Elon are trying to go ahead and build some utility value as far as using it as a transaction for payments. But we'll see where that goes ahead and goes. So this is extremely speculative, but this is going to be the 8th one on the list. Now the 9th one is going to be one that got a lot of popularity around YouTube, and there's a lot of YouTubers that were actually investing in this, and this is going to be with Akomi. Now Akomi is basically a token that you can go ahead and invest in, that you can go ahead and buy product on VeVe. Now VeVe is basically a digital collectible platform. But before I show you guys that, Akomi is currently trading at 0.003 cents. I am losing money in this one, but this is one that I bought right around 9 to 11 cents. And I'm down a lot in this position. But it can go ahead and have some utility value if VeVe and Akomi can go ahead and start getting more into NFTs, and if they can go ahead and get some big players. Now here's the thing, if you go ahead and look at VeVe, VeVe has an app where you can go ahead and basically buy NFTs, and the founder of VeVe and one of the biggest licensing guys that they have on their platform have previously worked with Pokemon, have worked with Yu-Gi-Oh, and that's why there's a lot of hype around VeVe, because if they can go ahead and get the NFT licensing agreement with Pokemon or with one of the other big players, this could go ahead and explode. So I do like VeVe, I do like Akomi, and some of the contracts that they already have is they have a contract with DC, with Star Trek, with Ghostbusters, with Tokidoki, and I'm not even sure if I'm saying that one correctly, with the Powerpuff Girls, with Adventure Time. So they do have a lot of different contracts, and these are some of the other contracts that they do have, or I should say licensing agreements that they do have. But the big ones that I'm waiting for is going to be Pokemon. If they're able to go ahead and secure the licensing agreement for NFTs with Pokemon, Akomi is going to go ahead and probably go to the moon. I mean, this has a lot of potential. However, it is really, really cheap right now. Now guys, jumping into the 10th one. The 10th one, honestly, doesn't really have much utility value, but it's a play on everything that's going on in the Safe world, with SafeMoon, with SafeStar, and there's now SafeGalaxy. SafeGalaxy is probably the riskiest investment that I have. I don't have much money in this at all, but I see a potential for this to 100x or 1000x, or go down to $0. Currently, I am losing money in SafeGalaxy, but this again is just a play on all the safe moons and the safe stars out there with SafeGalaxy. They actually have a great team behind the scenes that's extremely reputable. So I invested in this based on their leadership. At the end of the day, I'm okay if I lose everything that I have in SafeGalaxy, but this is going to be the 10th one that I do go ahead and invest in. So guys, these are basically going to be all the different cryptocurrencies that I go ahead and invest in. Now, currently the global market cap for cryptocurrency is sitting at 1.76 trillion. Just a week ago, this was over 2.34 trillion. So this asset class is extremely risky. If you are new to investing, I would say don't invest more than 1% early on. And if you're extremely convinced, don't invest more than 10%. But I'm gonna leave it at that for this video. If you guys are interested in investing, I will leave a link down for Coinbase. Coinbase is probably one of the safest platforms out there to go ahead and invest with. They do have interest that you can go ahead and earn on some cryptocurrencies, but the best thing about this is the most trusted cryptocurrency platform, and they're very secure, especially if you're a beginner, and they make it very easy with their platform. The platform is probably one of the easiest ones to go ahead and use. But thank you again guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel down below, and don't forget to smash that like button. But I'll leave it at that for this video. Thanks again guys. See you guys at the next one.